Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to dive in one of the most important function in machine learning, the sigmoid function. If you are ever wondered how a neural network works or predicts outcomes like a spam or not spam, pass or fail, this video is for you. The sigmoid function, from math to decision making, neural networks in binary classification, simple scarf icon, or neural network definition and formula. What is the sigmoid function? The sigmoid function is a mathematical tool that transforms any input, positive, negative, or 0, into a value between 0 and 1. It is defined as sigma of x is equal to 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x. Activation functions maps input x. So we have a input, then we have a weight sum, add bias, going to apply sigmoid, and output. So this is the S curve of the sigmoid graphical presentation. So calculation, example 1. So we have a value of x is equals to 0. So replace the x to 0. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So 1 over 2 is equals to 0.5. So this is a neutral probability. Next, we will assume x is equal to 2. So replace x with minus 2. So the value now is equals to 1 over 1 plus e to the power of minus 2 is equals to 1 over 1 plus 0.135, which is equal to 0.88. So there is a high probability. Next, step-by-step calculation. Example 3. So we will assume the value of x is equals to minus 3. So 1 over 1 plus e to the power of minus 3. So replace it with minus 3. The result is 1 over 1 plus 20.085, which is equals to 0.047. So the interpretation, the negative input, which is low probability. The sigmoid curve, x-axis input value x, y axis output probabilities of sigma function of x. Plot of the sigmoid curve with key points label. So, role in decision making, from probability to decision content. Step 1, compute weight sum of z is equals to w1 times x1 plus w2 times x2 plus b, which is the w is the weights and x is the input and the b is the bias. Then apply the sigmoid function formula. So there is a threshold decision. So if the result is equals to greater 0.5 plus 1, yes. So less than 0.5 plus 0, meaning no. So this is the we assume the value of x from 0 to 5, 10, and minus 2, minus 5, minus 10. So the result of the sigmoid, which is if you have 0, meaning 0.5. If you have minus 2, the result is 0.12. Minus 5, the outcome is 0.0067. So if you go negative, the outcome is 0.00, which is become a smaller value. Unlike the positive, the result is positive also, which is increasing. No? The probability is increasing. So that's why the curve is going, if you are going below 0, negative, so it is going to the left side. If you are going positive, you are going to the right side. So key features of the graph: x-axis input values of x, y-axis output values of sigmoid. So as x approaches infinity, the sigmoid is equals to 1. If x approaches negative infinity, the sigmoid approaches 0. If the x is equals to 0, it is in the midpoint. Why sigmoid works for decisions? Advantages for decision making: probabilistic output, easy to interpret, and threshold flexibility. So end of my presentation. Thank you everyone and good day.